Hi, welcome back. In this lecture, we continue with EBS configuration in SAP. Financial accounting, bank accounting, business transactions, payment transactions, electronic bank statement, make global settings for electronic bank statement. Chart of account is CAUS. So we created the first step of account symbols creation. Let us look at them. Yeah, we have it Y0, Y3, Y4. The next step is assign accounts to account symbols. So click this on the left hand side. Now click new entries. Account symbols is Y0. Account modifier here is plus. Currency we use is US dollar. GL account for this is 113100. Well, this is the GL account which is mapped to the main bank account. Enter. The next account symbol is Y3. Y3 is for the ACH out payment. That is when we make a ACH payment to the vendors. The vendor account will be debited and the ACH out account will be credited. Account modifier again is plus. Currency used is US dollar. GL account is the ACH out account. It's an interim account. GL account here will be 113456. Now this you can go to the chart of account in transaction code FS00 and then can select the GL accounts from there. If they are not existing in the chart of account, you can always create them. Let's look at one of the accounts, transaction code FS00. Liquid funds. So the main bank account 113100. 113100. See, it's a liquid fund is the account group. It's a balance sheet account, and in the control data you can see the currency is US dollar. Click the tab bank interest. Here we can see the house bank, and it's also relevant to the cash flow. What is important, this is a main bank account. We looked at another account 113456. So let's look at 113456. 113456. Well, as you can see, this account is a ACH out account. So this is an interim account. When the ACH payment is made in F10, this account is credited. And when the money actually comes into the main bank account, for which we prepare the bank statement, this account is debited. So the resulting balance here is nil, and the money actually goes out from the main bank account. So you can use this account which are standard in the standard US chart of accounts, CAUS, or you can create these accounts on your own based on the business requirement provided by the business. The next symbol is Y5. Modifier here is plus. Currency US dollar. Y5 is for the check out account. So this account is again credited when the vendors are made payment through check. GL account mapped to this is 113101. Next account symbol is Y6. Modifier plus. Currency US dollar. Y6 is for the check-in account. Now this account is debited when the payments are received from customers. So what really happens when we receive the check from the customer, we debit this account and credit the customer account. The next step is you go and deposit the check in the bank, and it's after 1 or 2 days that the money actually comes in the bank for this check. And at that time this check number along with the account amount appears in the electronic bank statement. So when the electronic bank statement posts in SAP, the main bank account, which is 113100, gets debited, and the intermediate check in account, which is 113108 is then credited. So the net balance in this account is again 0. And the last account symbol we are using is Y8, modifier is plus, US dollar. This is for any miscellaneous transfer, and the GL account used is 113107. Please note all these GL accounts are balance sheet accounts. So save the assign account symbols. The next step in creating in EBS configuration is create keys for posting rules. Let's click this. Click the new entries button. So now we have to create the posting rules, and then the posting rules are assigned the account symbols. So let us create the posting rules. Y04. This will be debit master, credit ACH in. So in this posting rule, the main bank account will be debited when the EBS loads in, and the ACH intermediate or clearing account will be credited. Y06 debit master, credits check in. Y08 debit master, credit other transfer. Y30 debit ACH out, credit master. In this, when this posting rule basically will credit the main bank account, and the ACH out, which is the interim account, will be debited. Y50 debit checks out, credit master. Y80 debit other transfer, credit master. Save the posting rules. In the next lecture, we will define the posting rules which we have created.